Hi everyone, today I am doing a video on this little adapter that is used to move the microphone from this position, so in which this screen isn't very visible, so if the microphone is sitting right in front of the screen, to this position. So it's a left hand side adapter. You can also get them for the right hand side, and you can get like a double sort of one that creates two hot shoes, cold shoes, yeah. So let's have a look what's in this box. This is a little piece by SmallRig. Oh, I don't know if that's focusing, but I'll just show you the back as well. So I'm filming on the iPhone today, so it's a bit tricky. Is that upside down? No. Okay, so let's have a look inside. Just a little barcode, QR code, isn't it? And what's in here? Okay, so I've got a little Allen key, and there's the little piece. Oh, it's so small. I thought it was bigger. Oh, okay, so there's the little new cold shoe bit. And that will go into the old cold shoe, and then you've got your little, so you still can hang the strap. So I just started, before I filmed, I started to get this off because I think we need to remove this entirely. All right, yep. So I think the little screw will go in there. Well, that's tricky, isn't it? What am I doing wrong? There we go. Okay, so I've just got that little hole left, which is hopefully going to fit this in. Okay, I think we need to take this eyepiece off. That's that one. Let's see how this fits in. So, I think we just slide in this way, do we? Yep. Yes, we do. So that fits on pretty well. No obstruction to there, and the door still opens. So there's no problem there, which I was worried about. I just couldn't see from the picture how that would look, but that's pretty neat. And that's the top view, so you can still attach your strap. Now let's see, because I think we need to put that little screw in. I wonder which side it goes in. Oh, it's so tiny. Okay. Thinking it probably goes on this side. Doesn't seem to be any instructions. Let's just freestyle. I'll put the little Allen key into here. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it goes in this way. So, a bit hard to see there, I think, but hopefully that will just go straight in. Yep, that's tight. And now this can't come out because it's stuck inside there. That's pretty cool. So now when we put the screen up, we can also have the mic. And I chose, oh, that goes straight through. Okay, I get it. So you need to secure, okay, there's not a stopper there, so it actually just goes straight through. So as soon as I secure it though, it's all good. That's pretty good. And then the plug goes right there. So the reason I chose this left-hand side is just, I thought, you know, if you're plugging into this side, you might as well have it on that side. But you can have it on this side, which is probably just as good. Although you don't just have to have the wire running through there. That's pretty good, isn't it? And you could even hold it and just, oh yeah, that screen is now fully visible. So I'm not sure what impact that microphone will have being on the side there a little bit, but You'll see my upcoming videos. We'll see if it sounds any different. And yeah, so that's it. I'll leave the links to it below. I'll put the left one, the right one, and both of them just in case you're interested. And oh, let's just try that eyepiece back there. I don't think I even had to remove that, but let's see if it pops back in. Yeah, no problem. That's great. All right, if you've got any questions or comments or anything, just let me know in the comments below, and I'll leave those links like I said, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.